Hello everyone, I am Rohini Thumbre, and in this section I am going to discuss with you about test summary report. Let us start with the definition of test summary report. Test summary report is a document that records data summarizing testing activities and result. This report consists of all the necessary information related to the test process of software testing as well as the result delivered by it. It describes the environmental or operating conditions and shows the comparison of test result with test objective. Now we will going to discuss some features of test summary report. Test summary report offers the information about the activities performed during the testing process. Whatever the actions, activities, procedures that you are following in the testing process, all the information is recorded in test summary report. Test summary report summarizes the result of all testing efforts. Whatever the testing cost is there, variations is there, whatever the actions is required for test or whatever the efforts are provided in testing operation, all is going to be summarized in test summary report. The test summary report is a document prepared by the test leader or test manager. Test manager prepares this document at the end of testing project. All the information, all the activities under testing is completed, and after that test manager prepare this document. Now we will going to briefly discuss the test summary report template. You can use the IEEE 829 standard test summary report to prepare summary report. It consists of total 9 different fields as below. The first field of test summary report is test summary report identifier. It is used to assign a numeric identifier to the test summary report. This identifier helps to easily identify and track the report. The number may also identify whether the summary report is for the entire project or whether it is for specific level of project. The next field of test summary report template is summary. In this section, you can mention summary of all testing activities that were part of testing. Team members then quickly use this section to quickly gather information about test design specification, test cases, test procedure, test environmental, etc. The next field of test summary report is variance. It refers to the variation between actual testing strategies, specifications, procedures, and guidelines mentioned in the test plan. This section refers to learn how to improve and streamline various future testing activities and ensure that the activities do not deviate than the plan. The next field of test summary report is comprehensive assessment. In this section, it specifies the extent to which the tester completed the testing activities. It also explains whether or not activity is confirmed to as per the test plan guidelines. Additionally, you can also include a detailed reference to the steps the tester took to ensure successful and efficient testing. The next field is test summary result. Summary of result. It can provide a summary of the output and results of the testing process. It also includes a summary of all types of defects. Next field of test summary report template is evaluation. Using this section, you can evaluate each testing component or product against the specified requirements and metrics. You can also specify the scenarios under which the tested component or product may fail. Next field is summary of activities. It includes a summary of major testing activities and events. It also provides documentation of total resource time, budget allocated to testing. The information provided in this section also used to estimate the requirements for future testing activities. And final field of the test summary report template is approval. It is responsible for approving the test summary report in the approval section. You can also have signature of all the responsible team members and other leaders from the testing team. The signature certifies that the party is responsible for approval and understand and accept the test result. Now we will discuss the benefits of test summary report. Why to write the test summary report? So test summary report documents provides the current status of testing project to the project management and to the end user. The project management and the customers are also informed about the current status of the application quality. What will be the quality? What is the quality of product is provided to the customer and project management by using test summary report. Also, the project management and the customer can take the corrective actions if necessary by using the test summary report. Thank you for patience watching this video. Thank you all of you.